Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Na Ahmed Ibrahim Yamwaha. Na oho te sen. The nyame ase. Na ye pe support a publish a book on Parliament becoming a closed shop. Ubebua yen as a publisher.
Adakabrese Parliament a public office in the Assembly Press for Ibisa ba miniatures and the publishing building.
Sir. Tiamfa Nkoma David Asante no publish. E dia na ba afa the leadership of Ghanaian Parliament ebe resolve say mo kwa support all incumbent members of Parliament. Amoma san yaba. Na mo ba na mo be tenase wie dia na afa no masan a diverge ama obi akwa support in the respective party at the 2020 general elections. E dia na akoso.
Adakabre ma memfa wafidi sinamchia etifo mamisa nda wasese wakwadare ewo media juma yima ultimate chira sembia mama opia tiasie na ndi wakofa by die chenso ndi will say is Parliament becoming a closed shop? The answer is simply no. Adakabre majority leader eka in statement to be a closing remark or can say it was a leadership in Parliament no support to incumbent MPs nothing the high rate of attrition way about one term no corner way about one term. Say o ena eboka na individuals need the moka is becoming a national problem. Alakabon say the last week Parliament closed US Speaker of Parliament, House of Representatives Obechai, Nancy Pelosi.
Yatimon Ninka.
Yeah, introduced a number of years awadi of Parliament, about 32 years and over. And the uko muwa yes ya omono, omwa yes ya omono. We are Parliament 40 years, we 36 years, we 32 years. Ufi US wa now ko UK. Jeremy Corbyn winning in our Parliament 36 years, 32 years, 34 years. Na Ghana, your longest serving parliamentarian, Honorable Aban Kingsford Sumana Babin. Ono ena watimi ako mrasebejefie jumano 27 years. 26 and a half years. Ono the longest serving. Ena se ojinane naiso kasa utumo say yes. Oyobia wabasi wache na ninyina jina ye parliament no na bakos ni faribai uhwe the fourth Republican Parliament ye practice ye babesha 7 January 1993 no na omunim parliament ho adwuma no bi na omuwom nipa mienu pewo. That is how the house began. Entusha Honorable Oswa Champon, the late Oswa Champon, no ye majority leader, no ye Brekun MP. Ena Honorable Note ya also, ni na no ye MP4 or Usu Koleklote. These were the only two MPs who no more parliamentary experience. In the parliament no boka. Eno mukofa Professor Marco Kwene, Stephen Aden, Jim Pane, University of Ghana. Mrasebejafo na Ghana for ato abamo mono na political science department organizing lectures emomu was a jimpa organizing lectures emomu was muko school for leadership and all those parliamentary practice inti usha o mine bo kapa because no muni experience parliamentary na the part to pay any that and out of 200 no 198 any experience there but Yatimia chichiro maina mauma training uma inti ye ba to be honest with you adaka me third time na me womu na ye ba first no utimu say it is like a court me gidi say uko law school wie university akọ law school ewie no ye frɛ bibi sa fe na uko akọsua court practice uko na seniors na ye mana oti wono mu dia se na wo he court proceedings. Medicine so when you see the medical profession and you see the legal profession. Ultimately, free precupe and caso, may a serious Ubequama, you have to understudy some lawyers. If you read about political thought, only the Socrates, Plato, no money, when no way else your way. And that is how they say. But I say, yes, West Africa sub-region, Ghana democracy, the beacon of democracy, no be a copy, but a co-international fora. Na South Africa for no bar, na East Africa for no bar, none of Omuba. Egypt, about 20 MPs are parliament for over 30 years. South Africa, but Ghana, you need not even one. In the international forum now that we lose out. Then you come to Ankasa Yefia. Arakabra Ukoloa, yes, oh, the one consider Jumana and Frobia, I want to be your lawyer, ni papa. But lawyer no Jumana Ukwa, and Brasabia, and Yena Yambrano. Ama di Mrano Aqua Ye Juma. Now, say, we don't have that technical know-how. Experience, you know. We'll be making contradictory laws. About the actual Article 93.1 and 2, our Constitution is a Parliament. Parliament shall be the law-making body of the state. You know. About the law-making, out of 275, it now becomes a problem. How do we even form quorum to get legislators who will stay in the house obey the actual legislation? It's a problem. The blue boy for Nepal Post and Kamano aircon. In fact, we were all crying. But we Parliament had to go to make sure that Osache Mensa was to come back. There was a call without the last Parliament in America. You Echo lobby send a bear. Joseph Yelitre ebeba back because now Parliament in US I'm not consider the legal drafting. No Oba Parliament no a pharmacist and no a lawyer, but Oba Parliament as a pharmacist and as a lawyer no Parliament no assign the new command consider legal drafting. Into say nya fena Attorney General for the wakase omoba betrasi na fena better because they don't have audience on the floor. So, oh, be equal like this or trying to be particularly Eddie Brown on to Minka. Into what say ya, Meshabuja for no, yet training in that regard. Your call which I yasako, Nadolika Lu, Echo can't be ma Bambagwin. So the Bayer Ombe winning. Can we imagine this parliament? So say Chairman Sani Bambagwin, Yeli Trenum, Sani assistant, no per se, a you Mufloni, Honorable Mohamed Mutakanum. If they had not even been here, I tell you, it would have been a disaster. But a democracy. And I say, other African countries or more democracy, no, Liberia, I think 7 years. A term of parliament, no, 7 years. Egypt, about 5 years. But Ghana, 4 years. 4 years, even if you say, Obinko no Bimra, now the Pavu for no back within 2 years, because any book could be you learn it through experience. Inti say attrition rate na adakabra is over 50%. Inti ebani sana na kwa say the democracy no law making institution ya kwa so udi awako wanya V8 bako inti brana unyanso enkubi. Adakabra all those things have their pros and their cons, but as a matter of fact a challenge for parliament as an institution. Inti enunti and a majority la can say Mradu said it was a parliament to protect most of the incumbent MPs. And not just blanket protection. Obi Oba or no crampo after one term about himself. And yet he's not cut out for the job. Nemu mabana ya tuamana manti obana mean yozo mean kubium. And you must say na hatia party mean kubium. A lot of people come and they regret. It been suba na they know say and some for parliament human as a career inti nipa bisa na yetutia na eba ya na se otifie na ye consult no. You take persons like Honorable Speaker Duajao. Parliament na ankasa Eman Award. Say the best legislator eba mrejuma mwa. Say oya lawyer waya state attorney oba ha waya sebu oba parliament for 24 years and oba speaker. or your first deputy speaker, or your speaker of parliament. And when you have those people, Papa also and Kanama, this would have been their pick. But you are trapped here because of democracy. And not Omako Tracy. And they say, parliament. When you say parliament, not speaker of parliament, and the number 3 after the vice president. So if that is the case, that institution na ankasa will represent no yantinya nature mananya so strong, then you become very weak. And the late Peter Lagete opese oye. Nanso mre amano kwan amanantimi anye say, you know. So parliament is still the weakest among all the 3 arms of government. Intimate to say Ghana for yanyina beka bum say, how do we strengthen the parliament of Ghana? Intinya sabi osache mensa and after leadership of parliament in Kwanwejuma. And what say yanyina as a nation. Yes, how do we get people, good people to represent us? And yes, as a whole, no, and what say yes on code of ethics be say the beya, yeah, protect you, yeah, promote to a train no. You must also make yourself trainable. Into a win-win situation, and a man can't say, you know. Not one can say, oh, yeah, but you know, and say a big one, MOB, but there be. But we need that institutional member. The attrition rate, you know, it shouldn't be just more than 50% every 4 years.
Honorable Member of Parliament for Bana, Deputy Minority Chief Whip, Ura Ahmed Ibrahim.
Yes.
Under the Representation of the People's Act, no, yes, Ghana yenchi chim about 2 mako edu ahanu edu osun enum 275. Na nipa ofiri so betimi agina mu aye adwuma se MP edi amaye no na wabegina MPs ne ye nsa akere ba akoso akase we ne epe no by simple majority ne yi nipa kro. Your understanding say obeye MP edi ama nipa ewo bana abato mpasuaso no na adwuma ben na wo se wo koya ama wo mo
Arakabe mi bano na menim se mi ba beye anamsini amabana. Enti as to say obi be protect me na say obi am protect me no bana for ene what echere. But ejuma na constitution need the Representation of the People's Amendment Act wo kai. Say ejuma we ena ye dia mamra se bedwafo no enye nu ena omu aye represent you no enye nu nko ena omu hwe. I'm giving you example. Ye ko we chaw ye lichire constituency. Ena ye bisa say baby a ye lichire nim de ewo emra se bedwafie ejuma ne tie no. Out of the 275 MPs, there were only 2 only W Boafu at that time. And the legal drafters legislative drafters or more few. Inti W Boafu no omwako primaries ama onwa lusu. Inti aka yeli chilenkwa oye the legal drafter na yema onusu lusu na say omumbi enu na yekotre ni omu omwa lusu. Even though we can for netwa bama omu baye ansana yekotre ni omu. So if it happens that yatre no mo you not say omuko ne say Parliament and as mine aboka because wako fie no ntimi ka say omra mbetna mrase beja fie ha emeye adwuma and the structures are not so established into a na parliament na ankasa adia to ye hu so say e wo say ye ko obi am pesos na ye chekire mu say ye ka say mrase bejani a na dwumani but as to say the whole Ghana 40 as say enye wo e na obeyi kwan enye wo e na obesi hospital enye wo e na obeki kanea enye wo living conditions it means you are responsible. Ghana nyem drusa level no enunti na ye attrition rate no higher than US ni America ni Egypt ni South Africa America no more developed to some extent say ka say we embrace begania we Germany we district chief executive we Germany we minister of state we Germany by Ghana no Mbasembegani na all master of all trades. Say utimi ye ni nyina bi. Nti se kwan ni nya ebebo odin. School ni nya ebebo odin. Bibia nti mimi baaye no I took it upon myself say ye the sani di na ma me say they expect say me ye adwuma wo mrase bedwasie asa ye adwuma wo me mpɛso aso ama omu living conditions are better. I have to take that responsibility because omu to abama me no, that is what they understood. In the Kabra ko bana schools and the trees 100%, house cheap company 100%, electricity 100%. Second cycle institution ma establish it me year free SHS for 3 years as a national no yediba. Agriculture and industrialization and is that what the constitution says we should do? No.
Honorable member.
Honorable member. Look understand there. I'm taking it on board and I'm a Jaka constitution there no.
Honorable member, Wadarumo.
Minia.
Say constitutional requirement ne say enipa bia wo mo pese wo di anim ko mrahwe bedwom no mo megina simpie so na yemfa yensan kyere wo mo so de yepe na de dodo beka se yepe no na ono okọ sana nhihye ne tie de a adenti na leadership of the Ghanaian parliament ebeye explicit statement akato opefe say ye tu anamo sigina ye akoboa wo mo parliament say wo besan ababie wo na akoye say mo kwa undermine the judgment of the people at the constituency na
there be adakabre we can't do that but the best thing is say who say you call na doli kalio e kwa chire sia ehia say abamba gbimba na oba is likely say parliament na beto aba ma na be the first or the second deputy speaker of parliament adakabre say oba ye or your second deputy speaker me boana
na emu wa awie no emfaso de no nyo ne yire ne ma
de bia dakabre say edru ne o say parliament no afena is a free speaker do ajahoso e na ye yi mrase bedwafo a omo experience and no mo ba be speakers e ye do ajaho ni makokwepe e na ye the speakers of parliament a omo anya parliamentary experience. Adakabre parliament as I'm talking now, what is the clerk to parliament or your clerk anyimadu or retirement to. Ni age for ni nyina this year next omunyina echo. Yes, also parliament as an institution because of coup d'etat. Also obia be coup d'etat also parliament is hereby dissolved. Parliament has suffered from dissolution for about 5 consecutive terms or so. Into the weakest wing in all the arms of government, judiciary is very strong, executive is very strong, by parliament is weak. Meanwhile, so you let me point to send proyana parliament ne was a yambra ese na etimi the oversight responsibility. Oversight no say unya gato maya untimi gato niu. Answer now, bet me about Obia Osi Wino. Honorable experience in Capo Collection.
Honorable member.
See, you can't accept your Jumana.
Honorable member.
I'm not like when I came the first day.
Honorable member, Pacho, background to and someone Yebusa we agent say. I said, dear, Rashobi Gafo. More Baby ye be a friend say closed shop. Say, but your background in the person, Biana was a radio there, a constant tune off. I feel will be a tune in. The person who knows some I know can in the watch. Sir, and they know Bibia, Janayabia Mosia Yatina Bontenum. Now, quite yes, sir, more caprubia to Mamma Munqua Martinem, Nama Bessene, na Sabiaku, my Jumano. Now, if I could finish. Me wa fase krobia kwabena sante no de abreme na my yanking kind ni message odi bae no in its entirety na fe yemu sa wasem emfamfa ho
Matthias Yemini
I say offer the examples Honorable Ahmed cites are too weak to practice the closed shop. If they want MPs to be serving for long, then they should push for bicameral legislature where members of the upper chamber are appointed based on expertise. Until then, it must be based on popular votes of their constituents. Did any of them go to parliament as an expert? Yakasi ye expert biya mo ba parliament na mo ba na say mo ba parliament ye mamus ye rules no any standing orders for which a very good astute student of parliament obeko me edna koto select committee so na wako sua bibi ana say e was yetimi tena se ka say yema wemu do omo ntena ho enkosi bi ben 32 years for year Ghana here
adakabre enya close up na ye onse me kan me sinye obia bebre kwa ayo maje say omumma bi omu inti leadership, there's no democracy in this world. Any guided. Bicameral legislature, Moka, so call UK, you practice bicameralism. Now, UK, Hona, leadership of parliament, Jeremy Corbyn and how can they be able to be MPs for 30 something years? And I have to check it, said the power of us to Ayo primaries. And yet, it is highly guided. No clear woman, no. And the year Krampo, too democratic than even UK and US. Oma yes, you mono. Yet the too open and too democratic. So the mere fact is that you have experience, no, that means we should call for bicameral legislature. Ghana to me, Yasika and Yasa, you know. Single parliament, as I'm talking now, is facing financial challenges. In two cases, another parliament encounter. Now you appointed experienced men, no Munkwaya Jumawa. Next, a young parliament in Bienu. Adakabra Ghana bet me about Akano.
I remember Adaroma. Okasa Bakuna Honorable member, Okasa Bakuna Cray one crano. A too expensive. Ubeka say a too expensive because if it's linked to the productivity, if it links to the performance of MPs now, and the money is expensive. If it's a beer now, more resources are yenyano, sabin preduasa, and yeah resources are yet worth talking about. And name the multimima resource no impacted positively on your constituency and ka enye expensive da. Miemusawo. Challenges in the yempe lamentation, yempe challenges, yempe excuses, yempe resource na yehwehwe
but challenges no will get the results.
No challenges are a woman no yempe tie efrisa
how will you bring good results?
Obi am for so say brabedi MP
me see who can say e won need pepper me na your man light of fire. If there is no generator, how will you bring
one would other can also if there's no generator. Say light of no car, say generator in my crana. Yes, I will a UPS, and also so now
one for
yeah, Kano, Ceciano, you're torn between say Adentan constituency. Ceciano, me assess it whether Mesa Tuama Yabuabian Samoa based on me as a constituent. Dear all ya dear mammy or constituency ho all representing me interest very well. Ama abana who me needs na abana ya mammy or Adentan constituency and none na mensha na say mensha the performance of Yabuabia Samoa in Ghanaian parliament say select committee so with me can where na
and I have a honor yes problem one there okay your constitutional architecture no ankasa ene the impediments no eba on say obi bebre wo e ka say ye ni quality na nya not knowing not yen ka say ni pa omo no capacity no but you have 275 MPs abina yi over 100 and something omo ye ministers and say abino be yi minister the person must qualify as an MP. Now, Watanya added AGB and Sana Abanayi into people like Omano Muye, Bomadro Hopa, people like Akoto, Yayinuko, Professor Jambafo, Yayinuko, Obiamwa, Yayinuko, Society Yayinuko, into the cream of crackers of Maba Parliament 5 times, 4 times in Inano, almost all of them are ministers of state. Into Abanayi is now quiet. Sabi backbenchers be a fellow maba na mobe training omuno. So Parliament will now spend time in sending them for training programs and all those things. Usha Eina, and Nunti and Abinumuka say, oh, if there are challenges, and the Yanya over parliament in Kwa. Adakabre say 275 MPs, and Yadia, ye baby ministers, Musara Omeko ministers are quite Juma. Can have gotten the needed technical men, yeah, cano. Our mother 4 10 5 10, and I'm a matra or Jumano. So challenges no adults. The Yabuabin, there will be me. Yabuabia sent over 4 years old. There are a lot in parliament as I'm talking now, still Yabuabi on him. Because any book could be even though he's a lawyer, any book could be a mubedia. Uba, this is a him see. This is Uber now, a year, some now, a member year, now, into Uga and your friend, parliamentary practice and procedure. You won't get it in any book. And I say, oh, sorry, now, Bekasa. You use institutional way see you can say into way by convention say na ye no adaka be dia convention dey open no book be mu
adarumo hwe emra na de wo ba parliament no emra na friend is saying emra na friend representation of the people's act na at the time a me koto aba e dia ma me MP say ye aboabio say na ye Ramadan de ne wo mu ane say me hwe me needs ewa constituency ho na me hwe nipa obetimi a represent me interest very well on the Ghanaian parliament enti say ya aboabia samwa etimi yiri no ho parliament ekasa ese de na no na Eric Opoku wo kasa efa koko okua ho na wogina ne na so na fedu wo kana tum se nkrofo ani su brie wo parliament wo o kiremu a quotation upon quotation na se obi te sankore na se hia no a na was said the entire or two abama Eric Opoku any quotation upon quotation our parliament wana
atakabre wudu ho abaw unim sa sankore for ne dokoko no enti ena omumu bi ena ye Eric Opoku no si ye koko farmer so or jina open nipa omutumi represent the cocoa farmers Eric Opoku ka ho because eba cocoa adwuma na oka ho ekwe cocoa kwe no oka ho ena wadi DC wo ho abedi regional minister abedi MP the third term ni and these are the kind of people I cafe. Young first was on the time review. And this a buffet a buying, yellow, checking a buying. We oversight the executive. It is a young guy. The better I check a buying a manaya day. In the parliament, you know, you it call for experience. And it calls for people like Eric Opoku who can say me. And ye democrats in the leadership can say. As I say, or Eric Opoku born whom what the air DNT. Ube wana ni open na ya fara ja o pambiaso or higher parliament in the betono. Ye democrats in Sana Ghana DNT.
Na sanetia dia a dina the best MP we are told as per University of Ghana for a research on Kokoye no. Ekokoye Alhaji Collins Dawuda. Na uko Alhaji Collins Dawuda se uko any history. Dear Mehami for the Kanfan home, dear Dasu Abba for the Kanfan home, dear Chensia for the Kanfan home, dear Fidium for the Kanfan home, and now one with the Jina Suma, Alhaji Collins Dawuda, yes, all perform. Name mum, Alhaji Dawuda, with Jina Parliament, Kasa, how many times in this current parliament? And so, anyone at the best.
Uba your parliament here. We are professor, we are doctor, we are PhD and deal. So, about lands and forestry issues now. All the 275, I like to call it on this side. Parliament, oh no, your team is Jumans and our bow. And a consultative assembly and the 2 MPs in North Kaho. And say, oh, call on Nimgana Forest in Nimbradia, I think Phobia, Mbradia, regulating in our name. And it's a friend now, Wako Habas, and I Cambridge, who do certificate either now in a parliament. Or Johnny Nanzo beside one question, these are the kind of people we are talking. And the answer, the first also for a year, the best MPKK. He deserves it. And the announcement I said, Nipa Bia or Mutis Alhaji Collins Dawuda near Opoku Musano, and some Musai Ebebium. And I have a parliament and say, one Maha. Okay, say, me ma example back. Hey, may he so rest in perfectly. JB Dankwa Wanyani baby ko. Okay, sir, now our parliament no mutu abatiano.
I'm a Professor Stephen Amwakubaye.
No, Mukofa Professor Stephen Amwaku, Professor Emeritus. the whole parliament oba and on the certificate no ebiniha badakabre oba parliament wa hunso
obeso account yen e kire yen
the na oya ni say vote and proceedings ya corrective ya we no ko the following term na also ko per election no adakabre okọ primaries onya 1 vote onu kwa na tuma no
ye osusu ya na o kan asem bi honorable member
esa me
no we so no asa
I tie o musa ko 5 JB dan kwa no bae
tie
etutia professor Mwako ya 1 vote pe na oni doctorate
honorable Ahmed
MBA na ekura no
honorable Ahmed asem
wo me chese ya wo kan experience
honorable Ahmed asem a wo kan odi ababeto de dodo no esusuo eso Stephen Amuako by parliament na at the end of the day no yesa tutia na majebi dankwa ba ya
onya 1 vote
e wo say yetimi ehwe the dan
adaka blekati so onya 1 vote
mpacho onya 1 vote nde de akwabi kwa se na no ode ne
also per relation no omo ka so mo aye mistake nti mo sa akwa jebi dankwa ba
make say no just say what constituency be and dynamics. If it's a gift to Chumampo for your modern buy, and Necromo Penabono, say, or no, yeah, or buy election or buy, or near Shema Womo. Now, just a walk study the dynamics of the constituency. It will be who say it is the needs and the wants of constituency, and no, na a timmy who say way or back and answer uncle. Name of my so back can say will be where your master our parliament will it me can do better me a cabia our honor.
Atakabre uze ye dipana ye wo ha no obia ni baby otimi kasa o JB Dankwa de ya mekae uze JB Dankwa no ye accountant a o ye businessman and the Saudi business law be to parliament say o ye be ye mra a e be affect the business community Atakabre JB Dankwa jina ni nan so a parliament ya no obia ni ho obekira the pros and cons of every clause onu baby ana onu na ho den e wono no nti se uhe parliament na ukan article 103 na o say parliament no e was the reflection of the Ghanaian community. It shall be the reflection of different shades of opinion.
Now, and no representation of the People's Act. How do we give efficacy to the acts? No, constitutional provisions say representation of the People's Act. Is it what the people want? And what's a walk and answer a expertise? And yamino.
Exactly.
But
people know Ghana for no investing for whom into investing for no else munya investing in manager home. Capital for whom else munya capital ni manager home. Lawyer for whom else munya lawyer ni manager home. So it can't be just lawyers keke. That yen 275 no be a lawyer there be. We represent nipa bi e wo Ghana habian e wo say yenya omuso bi e wo parliament.
Okay, mami kinka message me no ma.
So we see them.
Mami kinka message me no ma na menya wo kwan anase mebusa constituency assembly akope.
Alaka be na nye da man kan o.
Ba ko ye lawyer and ba ko ye doctor. Nti minka lawyer ne DFS and minka doctor ne DFS.
Alaka bra o de kai o so wa internal medical stream nti mayi murano.
Okay then minka doctor ne DFS. Doctor ne say hi Wofada Kabre. I can't simply understand Honorable Ahmed. He's talking as if being in parliament is as difficult as trying to research to cure cancer. Dr. Dakwa and was in cancer and then let me go to my lawyer brother. Ose, Onuya, truth is that it is the fear of losing their seats that drives this paranoia. Democracy essentially means that it's perfectly possible for a buffoon to be elected if majority of the electorate want same. If the parties want to shield the so-called experienced MPs, so be it, mindful of the repercussions for the party harmony. Bottom line, citizens have realized the elected are not there for the public interest. So the mantra is, if you have chopped some, step aside and let others to chop. All this pontification is not for Amagana. It's the protection of incumbent stomachs. Jody Rekase. Who are comment to be?
Adakabre. yen first say bofum beba beye ye mrashe bedwani a obeye
na mo person kan say brofu ne ha adwena wo se se kwasia ne yesi
adaka do say kan word ye ka bofum na kire say
wo se kwasia ne yenya dodo ne se ye pa yenyina ye to ma kwasia no sa ne ye pa no
adaka bre na kwasia de ye nimu a adaka bre hin na odi ye mbeko
ye dodo ne se kwasia ne ye pa ma kwasia ne nkwai edu be so kire say dodo no
e wo say ye kire mu say kwasia ba say na be ye nyansani ba say na be ye nti mu amunkoto aba
ya kire mu an yesi we kwasia ne nyansani ni e na dodo ne se ye pe kwasia no how dare you say wo na be ka say da bi ma munyi kwasia no
alakabre wa chatem no so
yampon onabo amede da wasipa
yo me da se wa na nyame shira o ne se de wo a wo chechire se magana for etiasi
ami
nko onto nkwam in fact wo dey different
mami musa e constituency ba ko da bia ne ha madwene na no dwonkofo penso na je adom waye kwan no e de afri eye wanchi ama kakra no aduru nsoko meduru nsoko so a me kontenten so na me ko badu na masande abesi sampa anase me fa ne nifa so a na me ko manye eye sebie nam de ababa na ahenkuro ana me fa ne bonkum so a na me ko eye sekwa wadawru mu meduru eye ensoko na me fa ne nifa so menye over the bridge sebie e de baba na ahenkuro a ekwan no etesen
alakabre onse buyi nti kwan ne sie nti ye jompu ye na ekoye ahenkuro tu bonga sini tu buyi no ye diverti kwan no for France you no yire ye makwan no mo beche mi no nti na wontimi fa wonko bui nti aka from Sebie to Nsokono se manye no eno naka
aka Sebie to manye peneche se emu adwo
na se mo na yekuta
waye ona bo amedi ye de wase pa
Matiase ena
Utie oha extra ponkno Needs FM